Guys, every year it's the same old story, a slightly rounder phone, the camera shifts a millimeter to the left, 5 minutes of fast charging that barely gets you through lunch, and boom, they slap a new sticker on it and call it a day. We're bored, you're bored, and honestly, the entire tech world is exhausted from this copy-paste circus. But today is the day the tech universe gets its spine rattled. Sony has done what no one else dared to even dream, a phone that isn't just an upgrade, it's a rebellion. A storm, a Category 5 hurricane that's about to blow through Apple's walled garden and Samsung's fortress like they're made of cardboard. This isn't an iteration, this is an industry factory reset. There's life before this phone, and life after. And they're not even in the same dimension. So hold your breath, buckle up, and keep that coffee close, because today's video is about to unveil the real beast, the Sony Xperia Pro 3. Let's dive in. Design. Let's start with the design. The moment you pick this up, your brain short circuits. Is this a phone or did I just grab Bugatti's steering wheel? Sony has said goodbye to cheap plastic and ordinary glass. Now you're holding a scratch-resistant matte black finish that feels like silk but grips like a racing tire. The aerospace-grade aluminum sides are engraved with micro lines, a work of art to look at, a rock in your hand. No slips, no smudges, no compromises. And when you flip it over to see the camera module, your jaw hits the floor. Sony tossed that boring vertical strip into the trash where it belongs. Now you're greeted with a champagne gold metallic camera bump, like a warrior donning golden armor. People on the street will stop and stare. And down below, oh yes, a 3.5mm headphone jack and USB-C. Sony didn't remove what actually matters, because they know audiophiles still rock wired. Respect. Display. Turn on the screen, and wow, it's like stuffing an IMAX theater into your pocket. A 6.75-inch 4K HDR OLED display, now with 120Hz refresh rate. Every scroll, every swipe feels like wind gliding through your fingers. Whether you're watching a 4K movie or landing that perfect headshot in PUBG, every pixel is so sharp your eyes will just say, "This is it, I don't need anything else." Colors so vibrant they rival Sony's own $5,000 Bravia OLED TVs. Sunlight, no problem. Blacks so deep, at night it looks like a black hole staring back at you. DSLR killer camera setup. Now, the part where Sony went all in, the camera. See that gold bump? Engraved on it are the words Zeiss T, the same Zeiss glass used in Hollywood cinema cameras. And this time, friends, we're talking 300 megapixels. Yes, 300, such a massive sensor you could zoom in and read a book written on someone's fingernail. Take a shot in pitch darkness, and it'll feel like God himself turned on the lights. Noise. Noise doesn't even know this phone exists. But wait, it's not alone. A 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens that captures entire landscapes with zero distortion. An advanced periscope telephoto that gives you crystal clear clarity even at 20x zoom. And a 3D to F sensor that makes background blur so natural, it looks like a cinema poster. Forget 4K at 60 FPS, this does 4K at 120 FPS HDR recording. Your wedding video will look like it was produced by a Hollywood studio. Slow-mo so smooth, water droplets look like they're dancing in slow-motion ballet. In the front camera, 50 megapixels, selfies so sharp, Instagram will explode with what camera is this? Performance. Under the hood lies the true monster, Snapdragon 8 Elite 6, Qualcomm's most powerful chipset ever. So fast, the word lag goes into a coma just by approaching it. Paired with 12GB to 16GB LPDDR6 RAM and 512GB UFS 4.0 storage. Open 20 apps at once, edit 4K video, and game in between, the phone just shrugs and says, and. Battery life. Powering all this is a 5500 mAh battery. Wake up at 7 AM, and it stays by your side until midnight, even with heavy use. Fast charging, 15-watt wireless, and 10-watt reverse wireless. Friend's phone dead, just flip yours over and charge theirs. Sony thought of everything. Secret features. For gamers, a vapor chamber cooling system. Hours of PUBG and the phone stays ice cold. Never overheats. The side-mounted textured shutter button, half pressed to focus just like a real camera, and one full press launches the camera even when the phone is locked. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, USB-C 3.2, everything is next level. Price and launch date. Now, the price. A god-level beast like this doesn't come cheap. Global price: roughly $1,400 to $1,500. But for what you're getting, it's an absolute steal. Once you buy this, you won't even glance at another phone for the next 5 years. And the launch date, just a few months away, and the world will feel the shockwave. Sony is ready. The countdown has begun. So here's the final question: are you ready? Are you among the chosen few who rise above the iPhone herd and Samsung's flashy gimmicks to embrace true creativity? Or will you stick with the same boring camera, the same tired design, the same copy-paste routine? Drop a comment below. Will the Sony Xperia Pro 3 dust every competitor this time? I want to hear your take. Let's see who's riding with Sony, and who's still lost in the old world.